Morning folks, it's Tuesday, which means it's the first proper working day of the week. I feel like I'm going to sneeze, I'm so sorry. Right, normally you guys know Tuesday is like my out of the house day, meetings, Pilates, girl boss kind of day. But not this week, children, not this week. This week, Tuesday is admin, because I lost effectively yesterday. I took the day off, everyone else having a day off, I wanted a day off, do you know what I mean? But the first thing I need to do is edit a video. I'm looking at my calendar right now, by the way. I like block out my day, otherwise I'll do whatever I fancy. Anyway, first task is to edit an ad, which I filmed yesterday, and I'm hoping that I like it. If not, I need to refilm it this morning because the submission date is actually today. It's been a bit of a short turnaround because the bank holiday weekend as well, but it's fine. Then I want to film for YouTube. I actually haven't decided what I'm going to film for YouTube today. So I'm thinking probably K-beauty reviews of a few products that I picked up in my Olive Young haul, which I have been loving. Then I'm going to record some stuff for the podcast. So I'm going to go to the gym. Then I need to prepare my YouTube video for tomorrow, which I'm really excited for you guys to see. It's all about tretinoin. And then I need to upload the video, which I filmed today for YouTube, to WeTransfer to send to Hannah, my editor. So yeah, there's a lot going on. I'm feeling very positive. I've just been emailing my applicants for the role. Been actually quite a lot of applicants. I was shocked by how many people applied, but also a good thing. So yeah, that's good. Arranging interviews with those people for this week as well. So I'd really like to get that role started this month if possible. I am wearing my Invisalign. I've moved on to number 2. I mean, I think I'm a bit early, but honestly, I just want this pack of 12 to go as quickly as possible. Ugh, it's a lot. I will catch you up on IKEA stuff later because it's a lot. Dobby. Okay guys, we're a little bit later into the day now and I am about to make my pasta sauce, which I am currently addicted to. I am watching Cassie talk about the Met Gala at the moment. Let me just pause her. I'm making the pasta sauce, which I made last week on the vlog. But basically, what I do is just shove like a bunch of veggies in, chop them all up, roast it for an hour, blend it down with a bit of stock and seasoning. That's pasta sauce for the rest of the week. I love a pasta and I love creamy sauces, but we're trying to be tight and right this summer. So not having my nice creamy sauces at the moment, making this homemade veggie sauce, and actually it's going down a treat. You can also have it as a soup as well if you want to just have a portion of soup. But for my Okay guys, so these are the veggies before they go in the oven. Tons of bell peppers, loads of onions, carrots, tomato, all the good stuff. So I'm going to season it quickly and then shove it in the oven. Morning folks. Oh lordy, oh my god, why? Oh, I used the got2b eyebrow edges thing. Why is this literally stuck? Oh my god, please don't rip my hair. Ah! Oh my god, I will never use this again. Oh my god, it hurts. I literally feel like I'm pulling my hair out. Hold on. Oh, I don't like that. Oh! I do not like that one bit. Anyway, my hair is laid, as the kids would say. I'm just putting a clip in. I wish I did a middle parting now. Hey ho, it's too late for that. I'm getting ready because I'm going to an event with Kiehl's. I'm very much giving... Oh, is that my grey hair? Whatever, anyway. I've got to get ready because I'm going to an event with Kiehl's now. And I am in the mood to wear a little something on my face. So I thought we'd do a quick get ready. I've got that got2b stuff on my eyebrows as well, because my Refi is finishing and I thought, let me use this other product. This is the Summer Fridays Sheer Tin in shade 6. love me some Kiehls, and these new serums, they are hitting the spot. I have no idea what they've got planned for us, but I'm going to head in and see what's going on. I know the amazing Dr. Aroma is going to be on a panel with their head of education, who I've met before. Super, super nice. Just a really nice team at Kiehl's. Anyway, let's head on in and see what they have in store for us.
But do you know what? Before we get there, let's let this wonderful lady introduce us.
Hi guys, how you doing? Hi. I feel like I know most of you, so I'm going to tell you everything you already know. But my name is Dr. Wyen, I'm a medical and cosmetic doctor, founder of Skincare Clinic, skin doctor, and more recently contributing editor at our UK.
Yes.
Thank you.
Again, I'm not going to knock anyone's muscle. Like, go flaunt those serums, you want to get paid, right? But at the same time, it's like consumers, our audiences really need that focus in terms of, okay, the serum's great, it's fantastic, all these amazing benefits, but how does that then relate to me? Kind of like as I was saying to you before.
You've got a bit held for leather. Just needed to calm down. I can see lots of nodding faces. You've all felt the tightness. And
Guys, I'm back at home now, and I feel really bad because I didn't really update you that much, but essentially I went to the Kiehl's event. It was actually brilliant. I feel like last week the title of the vlog said it all. It was really the highs and lows of influencer events last week, and I feel like this week we're on a really good high. The Kiehl's event was amazing. I mean, you guys know I love Kiehl's. I've been away with Kiehl's. I love their products, I love their formulations, and their team, they've never let me down. Brilliant event, had such a good time. And I came home, I did a podcast recording, which was tons of fun. And then I just did some admin. I did another video. Oh, my tumble dryer is going crazy. Hold on. Oh my God, I legitimately thought there was someone at the door, or I don't know. Anyway, it's sorted. What was I even saying? Came back after the event, podcast recording, finished my final deadline for the week, which I feel very good about because the deadline is Friday and it's Wednesday, and I've turned in all my work. I don't know. I don't know about you guys, but I want to go above and beyond for my clients. Like, I always wanted to perform on time, and I'm always just wanting to give them exactly what they want. They send me a brief, I want to deliver the brief as closely as possible. So yeah, hopefully the content meets their expectations, but also is very organic to what I would create anyway. Anyway, hopefully the brand likes the content. I actually have my first interview in half an hour for the creative assistant role, which I'm really looking forward to. Great CV, great candidate, so I'm looking forward to speaking to her. Tomorrow I have another busy day. I'm going to go to the gym in the morning. Thursday, I'm ashamed. Thursday, tomorrow, will be my first day at the gym this week. I was planning on going this evening, but my priority was getting my work done. Anyway, tomorrow morning I'm going to go to the gym, have a nice big sweaty session. Probably going to do sauna and everything. I just want to feel like a really mother effing sexy goddess, if you will. So gym, then I have an event with Space NK, Dr. Groos. You guys know I love that brand, and they've had so many events since I've been a creator that I just haven't been able to attend, so I'm really looking forward to that. Following that, I have a Garnier panel talk, so it's a panel event drop-in my manager's put in my calendar, so I'm looking forward to going to that. And then I have another interview with a candidate, and then I'm thinking to go for a little swim at the gym after. Just finish off the day with a little swim, and that will be Thursday. I can't believe it. This week has honestly flown by. Obviously it's the, well, not obviously, it is the coronation this weekend, so if you're not in the UK, you're like, what the hell is that? We are having a king coronated this weekend, which honestly sounds like something that happened in the Victorian era, but here we are. Morning folks, another day in the city. First thing, I'm going to Space NK for a Dr. Groos event. You guys know I love that brand. Carrie is here, the wife of the man himself, talking about their new retinol product, I think. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that. And then we're going to head over to a Garnier event. I've been on a go slow this morning, I'm not gonna lie. It took everything for me to get out of bed. I've got my gym bag because I haven't been to the gym yet. I need to go to the gym after. But yes, let's head into Space NK, and oh, I just love it around here. Oh guys, look at this. Very alive situation. head now. Look at this, guys, and all my faves. Oh my gosh, not a baby eye serum. Look how cute it is. Got the peel pads, got the LED mask. Oh, this range, this is like one of the first strong retinols that I use. It's in this line. This is the actual eye serum, but oh, so good. Right, let me do the rounds.
I think for close to 30 years, and he's probably seen patients from every single continent in the world and heard every skin complaint that there is under.
Oh my gosh, guys, look at this bathroom. Oh my gosh, your girl is so small. So small. I just have to like jump to get a selfie with the everything in. But here we are. This is brilliant. This is such a good innovation. I love the fact that Carrie was saying that people can use it alongside Accutane, because this is such a massive misconception in the UK that you cannot use anything with Accutane. Yes, you flipping can, and you need it. Oh, look at it. I can't wait to try the texture of this. So cool.
We have to make a note.
Are you?
Clearly on the website, clearly on the social media site, but it's incredibly important. I'm also professional enough to make sure that I'm not recommending a brand that later transpires to not be
Oh my gosh, guys, I'm here at the Garnier event. It is insane. So many people, so busy. But the panel talk was so good. I feel like we learned so much of the panel. Now I'm going to head off. I'm so happy. This is a way shorter activity than I thought it was going to be. So I'm finishing up for the day. I'm going to go to the gym. Yay! Guys, it's Friday. Just thinking my air fryer is probably so loud, but anyway, it's Friday. I cannot believe that it's the 5th of May. The time is just flying, it really is. Also, I have a new personality. What the heck is this? Anyway, it's Friday, it's a bank holiday weekend coming up. It's obviously the King's coronation this weekend in the UK. So that means I need to get all my work done because I want to have a relaxing weekend, not worried, not stressed. So let's talk about yesterday first. Yesterday was so good. The event today that I needed after just feeling so crappy about events last week. So had Dr. Dennis Groos in the morning with Space NK, which was just amazing. You guys know how much I love that brand, and it was so nice to meet Carrie Groos, Dennis's wife. She's amazing, super nice, and I'm hoping to go in clinic and to see the team when I head over to the States when am I going to New York? September. So fingers crossed for that content, keep your eye out. And then after that, we went to the Garnier event. It was absolutely brilliant. You guys know I absolutely love Garnier. I've worked with them for a long time. One of my all-time favorite skincare brands, and I just love what they represent from a sustainability point as well. Great panel talk. Davina McCall was there, Alex Scott was there, Holly Willoughby was there, but I didn't see her. It was an amazing event, great setup, and just really nice to see the team as well. Currently, I'm uploading my YouTube video, which is going to be for next week, Wednesday. So actually, you'll see this video before you see that video. Today, I have an interview again. So I did interview someone yesterday, actually, for the creative assistant role, which I actually think really went well. So fingers crossed. Anyway, I've got another interview this morning. I've got to film a YouTube video for the week after next today to send to my editor for her to edit over the week. And I really want to do some more podcast stuff as well. Just getting loads of mini-sodes ready. I got some feedback for one of my videos, so I need to do some edits on that very quickly. And I actually love the feedback that they gave. It's like giving it a slightly different direction, because what can happen sometimes when you make videos is they send a brief, you make the brief, and then you'll mention something in the video that you've made. And they're like, oh, actually, can you do a bit more on that? So I mentioned the video that I've used a serum for over 5 years, and they were like, do you have any footage of you using it? I was like, yes, I have loads of footage because I've literally used it forever. So I went back through the archives, found some old footage. I'm going to put that into the video and just rearrange it a little bit. So I'm really excited for you guys to see that. But now I'm going to go before my egg is overcooked. Of course, this is how I'm going to my Zoom call. The personality is too big though, so I've got Cicaplast on there. Try and take down the swelling because it's so big. Right, wish me luck. These! Oh, these look so good. Oh my word. I got Look what I made. I can't actually believe that it came out actually half okay. That is very, the octopus plate is so cute. Oh, sorry.